In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play video and music properly in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're giving a presentation, running a class, or just wanting to share media during a meeting, we'll guide you step by step for a smooth experience. Let's dive right in. First, begin by navigating to the Microsoft Teams website. This is the central hub for all your meetings, chats, and team collaborations. When you arrive at the site, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button, which you can easily find at the top right corner of the page. Once you click this, you're prompted to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your teams and meetings. After logging in, the next step is to join your meeting. You can find meetings either through your calendar or via direct links shared with you. Simply click on the meeting link or navigate to the calendar within the Teams interface to join. As you enter the virtual meeting room, make sure you are appropriately set up with your microphone and video settings, should you choose to use them. Next up, to start sharing a video or music during the meeting, direct your attention to the top right corner again, where you will see the Share button. Clicking on this option will present you with various choices on what you can share. You can opt to share your entire screen, a specific window, or, importantly for media sharing, a particular tab in your browser. For this tutorial, we recommend selecting the Screen, Window, or Tab option. Once you've clicked this, you'll be able to choose the specific browser tab where your video or music is located. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain your privacy by not sharing your entire screen. Now, before hitting the final Share button, there's an essential feature you need to enable. Look for the option labeled Also Share Tab Audio. Make sure this option is toggled on. This step is crucial because it ensures that the audio from the video or music you're sharing is transmitted to all meeting participants. Otherwise, they would just see the media playing without hearing anything. Lastly, confirm by clicking on the Share button. Now, your video or music should be playing smoothly for everyone in the meeting. Participants will see exactly what you see in the Shared tab and will be able to hear the audio as well. Remember, practice makes perfect, so it might help to do a test run with a colleague or friend before an important meeting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to effectively share videos and music in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps improve your virtual meeting experiences.